Hey guys, this is Rachit Mishra. I am currently working at Unilever as a reliability engineer in Jefferson City, Missouri, United States. I joined BITS in 2015 and graduated in 2019 with a degree in mechanical engineering. At BITS, it's not just about the coursework. Even though BITS has one of the most thorough coursework which is up to date with times, it's also about teaching you to learn those soft skills that you need, such as public speaking and leadership development, and also the two internships that we get, PS1 and PS2. It helps you perform not just well in academics but also outside academics at work. So that's why I believe BITS is one of the most important decisions of my life that has helped me shape my future to what it is right now. Thank you.